Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a very nice breakfast or tiffin recipe. It's a very typical South Indian style Adai Dosa. So let's get started and check out the ingredients. So for the Adai, first we need to soak the ingredients. Now I have three different types of dals, starting with Toor Dal quarter cup, Urad Dal and Chana Dal. So quarter cup of each, soak it overnight. Again, for the rice I have half cup of raw rice and half cup of parboiled rice or idli rice, and a few red chilies also you need to soak in water. I have soaked these ingredients for the Adai Dosa overnight. Now I am going to grind it into a batter. So I have soaked about 7 to 8 red chilies. I'm going to add those as well. You can add red chilies according to the spice. So grind everything together now. So the batter is a little coarse, it's not too fine or too smooth, but it's a bit thick. You don't want to add too much of water and grind it too fine. So if you feel that the batter is too thick, then you can just add a little water so that dosas will come out well. Next, I'm going to saute a few ingredients. Take a pan, add a little oil, add a few mustard seeds, about half teaspoon. Next, add half teaspoon of Asafoetida powder, a few curry leaves, add a few shallots finely chopped and a piece of ginger finely chopped. Next, add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turn off the stove and add the ingredients into the batter. Mix the batter. Now I'm going to add salt to the batter. The Adai Dosa batter is ready. I'm going to start making the Adai Dosa. So add a little oil to the Adai. You can use gingerly oil or a little bit of ghee if you prefer. The Adai Dosa is generally a little thicker than the regular dosas that we make, and the batter is also a little coarse than the usual dosa batter. So it's more like a thick pancake. So make sure you cook it through because it has all the lentils and it's a little thick. Don't keep it on high. Make sure the flame is on medium and cook it through on both sides. This Adai Dosa can be enjoyed with some nice fresh coconut chutney, and there are other accompaniments along with coconut chutney that you can try is jaggery and a little butter. So do try this Adai Dosa and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.